So this is my fortune plant, and fortune plant is lucky plant, especially when you put it at the entrance of your house like this. It's near our door, and I have a guard here, my friend, one of the dwarfs. I have a lot of like this in the garden outside. So fortune plant loves water. A little sunshine. So that's it. Just issues in Feng Shui or Feng Shui.